Introducing the YHE BP Doctor PRO watch. Featuring a stainless steel case and an oval shape, it comes with a 2.5D glass covering the screen surface. Patented inflatable air cuff to ensure medical-grade accuracy. Quick guide. User manual. Micro USB charging cable. Charging dock. Wrist diameter tape.
Utilize the diameter tape to measure your wrist, ensuring a 2-finger gap from the base of your palm. Firmly fasten the diameter tape. The smallest measurement denotes the optimal buckle position on the watch strap for blood pressure monitoring. For daily wear, consider loosening 1 or 2 holes for added comfort. My wrist measures a 3, so I always fasten the strap on the 3rd hole. With my small wrist, there's no need for constant adjustments, especially when I'm wearing the watch while taking blood pressure readings. It feels just right and comfortable. Default texto. Access the quick settings. Swipe down on the main panel. From there, you can adjust settings such as brightness, Bluetooth, vibration, low power mode, alarm, do not disturb mode, and general settings. Press the home button, then tap on the blood pressure icon and touch the start button. Ensure that the watch is positioned 2 fingers away from your palm, and tighten the band to the correct measurement indicated by the measuring tape. Blood pressure records are the outcome of each measurement and are automatically stored. Up to 30 measurement results can be stored at once. I'm not in the correct position at the moment, but let me demonstrate how the blood pressure measurement works. SpO2, or blood oxygen saturation, indicates the level of oxygen in the blood. Ensure that the measured body temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius. Low temperatures can hinder blood circulation and reduce measurement accuracy. Relax your wrist and hand for optimal results. Tap the HR icon to initiate the heart rate test. Wait for 15 seconds for the result to appear. Swipe up to enable continuous heart rate testing. The watch will automatically test your heart rate every 10 minutes. Touch the sports icon to access sport tracking modes. Options include outdoor walking, outdoor running, and indoor running. Tap the calorie icon to check basic calories burn, sport-specific calories burn, and calories burned from walking. Touch the sleep icon to access automatic sleep monitoring, allowing you to comprehend your sleep patterns, including deep and light sleep as well as sleep activities. This insight helps you optimize your downtime effectively. Tap the HRV icon to view the results. HRV is automatically tested during the night, and you can review the results in the morning. Tap the settings icon to access general settings. Within these settings, you'll find options for display, alerts, information about the device, language preferences, metric settings, and the ability to reset the watch according to your preferences. Thanks for watching.